Join me as I test out this amazing cooling station to see if it really boosts my PS5 gaming experience. Can it handle the heat? If you're like me, you've spent hours on end playing your favorite games on the PS5, only to have it shut down on you because of overheating. That's frustrating, right? Your console gets too hot, it slows down, and before you know it, you're staring at a blank screen. This happens because the PS5 is a powerful machine, and when it's working hard, it generates a lot of heat. The more you play, the hotter it gets. It's like when you're running a marathon and you start to feel the burn, your PS5 feels the burn too, but instead of getting a nice endorphin rush, it gets throttled and slows down. Overheating can be more than just an annoyance, it can actually affect your gameplay. You might notice your frame rates dropping, or your console taking longer to load games. It's like trying to play a fast-paced action game with a controller that's lagging behind, it just doesn't feel right. We've all been there, and it's not fun. But what if I told you there's a way to keep your PS5 cool, calm, and collected even during those marathon gaming sessions? It sounds too good to be true, but trust me, it's not. The cooling station I'm talking about is designed specifically to help keep your PS5 at a safe temperature. It does this by providing a constant flow of cool air that circulates around your console, keeping it from getting too hot. But how does it actually work? Well, it's pretty simple. The cooling station has built-in fans that blow cool air directly onto your PS5. This cool air helps to dissipate the heat generated by your console, keeping it at a safe operating temperature. One of the things I love about this cooling station is how easy it is to set up. You just place it next to your PS5, plug it in, and turn it on. It's like setting up a new accessory for your gaming setup, easy peasy. The moment you see the cooling station in action and understand its impact on your PS5's temperature will be the highlight of this video. I was blown away by just how much of a difference it made. My PS5 stayed cool even during intense gaming sessions. The temperature difference is like night and day. With the cooling station, my PS5 was running at a comfortable temperature, even after hours of gaming. Without it, my PS5 was getting hot to the touch and slowing down. Seeing the cooling station in action is one thing, but understanding the numbers is what really drives the point home. The stats show that with the cooling station, my PS5's temperature was consistently lower, even during demanding games. Recapping the benefits, using a cooling station like this one can seriously improve your gaming experience. It keeps your PS5 cool, which means it can run at its best, giving you smoother gameplay and less chance of it shutting down on you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming tips, and check out our next video for more awesome PS5 accessories.